I'm going to show you how to secure your lace front topper using Got to Be Glued. Very inexpensive and available at Dollar General and Walmart. I'm going to show you this using the Belle Tress lace front mono top 14-inch topper. The best part about this method is that Got to Be Glued dries clear. You don't have to worry about residue showing on the lace front or any buildup. And it comes off with warm water, and if you want, you can add a little bit of hand soap to that water and it'll lift right off. But this method will keep your lace front topper down permanently along your hairline so you don't have to worry about it lifting. Well, thank you so much for watching my video on how to secure your lace front topper. Be sure to subscribe as I will have more how-to videos, wig reviews, and style comparisons to come. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.